timing to talk.
So it's an 06 V-Rod Destroyer, purpose-built drag bike from the factory. It's 006 off the line of 646 built, and we're running 95 second passes out here at Meremere on it.
Nice. Awesome
Living the
work.
dream.
Living the dream. So that was Shaun, and he is the pilot of this destroyer, and he is punting it hard. Obviously, he's looking for some sponsors. There's some space on the back of that tail, and see that? He's got tennis balls. Yeah. Now this is not Shaun, but So while we did watch Shaun punt his bag of hammers hard down the Meremere quarter mile, I didn't capture it on film, so that's why you got a little shot of that JDM pinky. So, but you can find Shaun on Instagram. His handle is Shaun and Destroy, which is that's pretty good. And you'll know it's him because it's Shaun and Destroyer. Yeah, obvious stuff. Little music outro.
Fucking music.
We've been living in sin so long, all the feels are gone. Fella stopped me on the street last night, said everything's alright. Roller coaster, make it through the day, I'm right. It seems your meal ticket is gone.